One of the more frequent questions we get calls about is how to attach replacement cartridges to reusable respirators. So in this video, we're going to show you the different pieces and parts of replacement cartridges, how to attach the replacement cartridge to the respirator, how to use the pre-filter with a cartridge, and as a standalone filter. For our demonstration today, we have a Moldex 7000 series respirator. Mounts for this respirator are the same as the Moldex 9000 full-face respirator, as well as the 3M 6000 and 7000 series respirators. So the general attachment of cartridges to the respirator will be the same. However, one item to take note is that even though the mounting is similar, cartridges cannot be interchanged between different brand respirators. You'll need to use 3M cartridges with your 3M respirator, Moldex cartridges with a Moldex respirator, and so on. We'll start by reviewing the pieces and then we'll show you how they're put together. The first piece is the actual respirator itself without cartridges installed. Organic vapor cartridge, the N95 pre-filter, P100 pre-filter or standalone filter, the P100 adapter. Before we start a demonstration, if you're in need of respirators, replacement cartridges, or filters, you can find a large selection of these items at Gemplers.com. Now to attach the replacement cartridge to the respirator. Take the respirator, this is an easy bayonet style. It'll slide over the barbs on the respirator. Quarter turn, it's on. Same side for the other. Quarter turn, it's on. You now have a complete unit. Now that we have our organic vapor cartridges installed to the respirator, we're going to add the N95 pre-filter. Please make sure these are marked this side away from face. That's going to go face down into that pre-filter cover. Press fitting. Also make sure that there's no folds or bends in the pre-filter. And you now have an N95 dust particulate pre-filter over the top of your organic vapor cartridge. Okay, we have a respirator with the replacement cartridges installed. Now we're going to put a P100 pre-filter on top of this. First thing you'll need is the adapter. That's press fitting. The P100 is bayonet style as well. Adapter for the other side. You now have a P100 pre-filter installed. So now we have the half-mass respirator without the cartridges installed. So we've removed the actual organic vapor cartridge, and now we're going to install the P100 as a standalone instead of a pre-filter. Again, very simple. Pre-filter goes directly onto the half mask. And now you have a dust mask. That's how to attach replacement cartridges to your half and full mask respirators. When it's time to pick up a new respirator, replacement cartridges, or filters, visit Gemplers.com. You'll find more respirators, cartridges, and dust masks in stock.